Kids will be kids.
Oh, my. What you doing now?
Did you wet?
Can you wiggle your toes? That's silly. Yeah. They can tilt it out. So good, man. Good job. I'm going to put underneath that.
Hip hop.
Hip hop? Sit right there for a second, okay? Good job.
44-year-old female that can't stop coughing.